April 14th, 1943, 6:20 hours. Somewhere outside, Tunis, North Africa. The engine is already dead. Hot metal ticks as it cools, sharp and irregular, like a countdown you can't stop. Sand blows across the smashed fuselage in thin, whispering sheets. Leutnant Karl-Heinz Richter presses his face into the dirt. The taste of oil and cordite stuck to his tongue. His right ear is ringing. His left hears boots. American boots. They come fast, shouting, rifles up, shadows stretching long in the desert morning. Richter squeezes his eyes shut, not from fear of death, but from certainty of it. He has heard the stories. Everyone has. The Americans don't take prisoners. If they do, it's only briefly. A boot nudges his shoulder. Hard, but not cruel. Don't move, a voice says. Calm, almost bored. Richter raises his hands slowly, fingers trembling despite his effort to steady them. His iron cross presses cold against his chest as he rolls onto his back. The sky above him is brutally blue, empty of aircraft now. The fight is over. For him, the war, at least the war he understands, has ended. He waits for the blow. It doesn't come. Instead, rough hands pull him upright. Zip ties bite into his wrists. Someone pats him down quickly, professionally. His Luger is gone. His helmet is kicked aside. A young American soldier, barely 20, freckles across his nose, locks eyes with him for half a second. Not hatred, not triumph, just focus. Richter exhales without realizing he's been holding his breath. Nay, the first letter arrives 3 weeks later. Lieutenant Karl-Heinz Richter turns it over in his hands twice before opening it, as if the paper itself might accuse him of something. His name is typed neatly on the envelope. Correct spelling, correct rank. A red stamp marks it. Prisoner of war mail, U.S. Army. Inside, his mother's handwriting trembles across the page. She is alive. His sister is alive. Their apartment in Hamburg still stands for now. Richter reads it once, then again, then a third time, slower, absorbing each word like food after famine. Around him, in Barracks C, other men are doing the same. Some laugh softly, some cry without hiding it. One man kisses the paper and presses it to his forehead. Mail from home. Regular mail. Delivered on schedule. It shouldn't be possible. Daily life at Camp Aliceville settles into a rhythm that feels dangerously close to normal. Réveil at dawn. Roll call. Breakfast, powdered eggs, bread, coffee again. Work details follow. Some prisoners repair roads, others help local farmers harvest cotton. They are paid 80 cents a day, credited to camp accounts they can use at the canteen. The canteen. Richter steps inside for the first time and stops dead. Shelves. Real shelves. Cigarettes. Chocolate bars. Writing paper. Even musical instruments. A violin hangs on the wall, its wood gleaming softly under electric light. Electric light. A corporal beside him mutters, "Mein Gott," under his breath. No one shouts at them to move faster. No, the film projector rattles before the picture steadies. It's late summer. 1944. The Alabama air hangs thick and unmoving as the prisoners file into the recreation hall. Folding chairs scrape against the wooden floor. The gods say little, just one instruction. You're free to leave at any time. That alone makes men uneasy. The lights dim. On the screen appears a familiar symbol, an eagle, a German eagle. For a split second, Richter's chest tightens. Old reflex. Then the image changes. Railway tracks, barbed wire, emaciated figures behind it. Someone in the room laughs nervously. "Enemy propaganda," a voice mutters. The laughter dies quickly. The film doesn't shout, it doesn't accuse, It simply shows Bergen-Belsen, Dachau, Buchenwald, bodies stacked like cordwood, survivors with eyes too large for their faces, bulldozers pushing the dead into mass graves because there are too many to bury by hand. The camera lingers. You can almost feel the room stop breathing. One man stands abruptly, chair clattering backward. "Lügen!" he shouts. Lies. He storms out, slamming the door so hard the walls shake. No one follows. Richter can't look away. He searches for tricks, for staging, for something that proves this is manipulation. But the details are wrong for propaganda. Too chaotic, too ugly, too real. When the lights come up, no one speaks. A guard opens the door. "You can go." Most remain seated long after he leaves. Not every camp shows the films at the same time. Some Commandant WWII, October 3rd, 1945. Port of Le Havre, France. The ship's horn groans low and heavy, echoing across a harbor still choked with wreckage. Rusted hulks lean at unnatural angles. Cranes stand frozen mid-lift, like broken skeletons against the gray sky. Leutnant Karl-Heinz Richter grips the rail as the gangplank lowers. This time, he's not arriving in chains. He's being sent home. The men around him move hesitantly, duffel bags slung over thin shoulders. They wear American-issued coats, warmer, sturdier than anything they owned before capture. Some still carry Red Cross parcels they've saved for the journey. Others clutch papers, certificates of medical treatment, work records, letters of conduct, proof that they were treated as men. As Richter steps onto European soil, a familiar smell hits him: coal, smoke, damp stone, decay. The continent feels wounded, exhausted, alive in a way that hurts to look at. No band plays, no flags wave, just silence. The train east crawls through what used to be France, then into Germany. Windows reveal a landscape Richter barely recognizes. Bridges collapsed, factories gutted, entire neighborhoods reduced to flattened scars. At stations, people stare at the returning prisoners with hollow eyes. Some look angry, some look ashamed, most look hungry. Richter shares bread with a woman holding a child whose shoes are 2 sizes too small. She doesn't thank him. She just nods and looks away. He understands. Hamburg is worse than the photographs. His building,